So let's learn a trick to remember countries around the Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea is bordered by 18 countries and several territories. These countries can be grouped into three main regions. First is the mainland countries, North, Central and South America. These are Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, Venezuela. Then there are Greater Antilles. These are large Caribbean islands. These are Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico, which is a US territory. Third group is of Lesser Antilles, small Caribbean islands, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Grenada, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. There are many other Caribbean islands, but some are territories of other nations like the UK, France, the Netherlands, and the US. Now, a mnemonic to remember. Many brave gardeners harvest nutritious crops, planting colorful vegetables carefully. Curious jaguars hunt deer patiently. Tropical birds glide swiftly. From many, M for Mexico, brave B for Belize, Guatemala gardener, harvest H for Honduras, nutritious N for Nicaragua, crop C for Costa Rica, planting P for Panama, colorful C for Colombia, vegetables V for Venezuela, carefully is just an additional word, curious CU for Cuba, then jaguars J for Jamaica, hunt H for Haiti, deer D for Dominican Republic, patiently P for Puerto Rico, tropical TR for Trinidad and Tobago, birds B for Barbados, glide G for Grenada, and swiftly S for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So tropical birds glide swiftly. It represents Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Grenada, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. These are all island nations known for their vibrant bird life. So let's go through the mnemonic again. Many brave gardeners, Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, harvest H for Honduras, nutritious N for Nicaragua, crop C for Costa Rica, planting P for Panama, Colombia CO colorful, Venezuela vegetables, curious Cuba, jaguars Jamaica, hunt Haiti, deer Dominican Republic, patiently Puerto Rico, tropical Trinidad and Tobago, birds Barbados, glide Grenada, and S for swiftly Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. Easy and simple trick for all the countries around the Caribbean Sea. For more such tricks, subscribe to the channel. I have already made a trick for countries around Adriatic Sea, North Sea, Baltic Sea. I'll post the link in the description. You can check from there. Thanks for watching.